welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today I have a special surprise. I'm so excited. I will be doing a special review as well as a hair tutorial on how I achieve these super cute braided bantu knots and like these cute little braids. But before I jump right into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be sure to turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I am so excited about this review. For those of you who may or may not know, Mielle Organics just recently launched their Oats and Honey hair line. And I get to review it, and I'm so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into it. This is what the Oats and Honey line looks like. You get 5 products for the price of, I believe it's $36. I'll leave that down in the description box, as well as a bonnet. So this is the only collection that you guys will receive a no bonnet as well as the full collection, okay? It doesn't get any better than this, sis, okay? First off, let's go ahead and just get into the reversible bonnet though. Like, let's do that. This bonnet is so cute, and I've been wanting one of these bonnets for a very long time. And if you are like me and you love satin and it's reversible, on top of that, like, you can adjust it. Like, it's adjustable too, like, come on now. This is perfect. The first thing that I did, of course, go ahead and I wanted to do was I wanted to have my hair shampoo. Anytime I do my hair, anytime I start off with a hairstyle, I always shampoo my hair. So this is the Oats and Honey Soothing Shampoo. Now this is for sensitive scalp. Now for some of you who may or may not know, I have struggled with eczema since I was a little girl. I've had it bad in my hair, on my arms, and I still have it a little bit like here and there, but I do have it under control. I feel as though if you are not prone or allergic to any nuts or anything of that nature, you guys want to definitely make sure that you read the ingredients on the back. It doesn't have any synthetic color, no DEA, no animal testing, no mineral oils or anything of that nature. This is the truth. I really love the frequency of it. Like, you don't need a whole lot of this to wash your hair. You just literally, like, you just need a little bit, and the consistency of it is perfect. To me, it's kind of similar to the consistency of the bamboo soothe shampoo, because that's like one of my favorite shampoos. But it's literally light and it smells so good. Like, I think this is one of the first shampoos that I've ever tried that actually like smelled like chocolate in a sense. Like, if you like chocolate, I mean, I like chocolate, so I mean, maybe that's why. But I really love how it made my hair feel. I am really big on the stripping of everything. Like, when I want something to be clean, like, I like for things to be clean. So it definitely stripped like any dirt or residue or buildup or anything that I had in my hair. It definitely did that, and that's one thing that I really liked about it. And it's also good for the sensitive scalp. And on top of that, this particular line, they are sponsored with Susan G. Komen, so that's super big, and like, this is just amazing, and I just really love this. On top of that, like, y'all, let's get into the bottle though. Like, I just want to hold it. Next, oh wait, hold on. So for the soothing shampoo, this is an 8 ounce. Okay. If you have a lot of hair, I'm on the shorter side of the hair, of course, so I really can make my shampoo stretch depending on how many times I really am washing my hair. But if you do have a lot of hair, you might need 2 of these, sis, because I mean, it's really good. Like I say, you don't need a whole lot, but you do want to have enough to make sure that your hair is of course clean. The next thing that we are going to jump into is the conditioning, soothing conditioner. Okay, this conditioner is so good. Okay, it is so good. It's super light. Like, I just feel like with this too, you don't need a whole lot of this. For my hair, I put like a handful, of course, in my hair just to like kind of feel like what the texture is like, whether it'll be light or heavy on my hair. Y'all, the conditioner really outdid itself. Monique, you really outdid yourself with this, and you know you did. Okay, like, I think this is one of my favorite conditioners. It's light, it smells amazing, and I really didn't have to use too much. Like, I'm not the type of person to put a lot of conditioner on my hair, but I do like to have enough to make sure that my hair is conditioned and is getting all the minerals and everything that it needs. So of course you will use this after you shampoo, or for my wash and go girls who, you know, kind of like to condition, or even like a co-wash. I think that this is like really, really cool. Not only for the hair, but ultimately for your scalp. So if you like getting some braids taken out, you had them for a long time, and the scalp is feeling real sensitive, I highly recommend this conditioner. Like, I promise y'all, like, it smells so good, and it really just like, it doesn't make my scalp tingle like some conditioners, but it definitely does the job. Like, my scalp feels clean. It feels like it's like being conditioned. On top of that, I think I left this one for like 30 minutes. I like to leave my conditioner on. I would have definitely left it on longer, but I did not want to get distracted, and I wanted to get all this to you. So I really like it, y'all. This is it. Like, the shampoo and the conditioner. So after I washed my hair and I conditioned it, I used the Oats and Honey Soothing Leave-In Conditioner. Now, because I do have a protective style in my hair, I like to use a lot of leave-in conditioner. I am big on conditioner. I'm big on using a good amount of product. My hair is super thick, so it needs a good amount of product. But this particular leave-in conditioner, it was super light. Like, some leave-in conditioners, I feel as though they kind of are hand in hand with the regular conditioner, and it kind of defeats the purpose of it being a leave-in. But as for me and my hair, this actually worked very well. I think I used a little bit too much, but I had no problems. Like, I had no problems with it. I made sure I combed it. I made sure I brushed it into my hair. You want to use this. You want to use this after you wash and condition your hair, only so that you can get the best results. Because I didn't do like a wash and go or twist out or anything like that, I simply did a braid, like, you know, like this hairstyle. I feel as though it was really important for me to use this, only because like I am putting a little bit of tension on my hair because it's like rubber bands and I did braid it. But I also wanted to make sure that, of course, my scalp was soothing. Like, don't you know sometimes when you wash your hair, and I don't know if this is me, but don't you know when you wash your hair sometimes and it's like your scalp kind of still be itchy a little bit? Or I don't know, it could just be me, or, you know, some people say maybe you didn't wash your hair good enough, but some shampoos and some leave-in conditioners still makes your hair like a little itchy. This does not do that. Okay, I really like the lightness. I really like, I mean, the smell is perfect, and honestly, I really appreciate this line. And I'm sure other girls who like suffer with eczema, dry scalp, flakiness, like just irritation as a whole, this collection is the bomb. And it really does help. It really does. Like, my scalp feels really good. This is the Oats and Honey Soothing Slick Stick. This is so perfect. Okay, so like with oils and everything, like use an oil on your scalp, boom, you know, it does the job. However, I feel as though this particularly targets irritating spots. Like, it just soothes it. It just soothes it. Like, anyone who has eczema, psoriasis, skin problems, any burn or anything. Like for my girls that are transitioning from perms and you guys get those little scabs in your hair, sis, she made this for you. I'm telling you, okay? Like, y'all, it's so cute. And it's like, it comes out, you would have thought this was like a little, like, this could be like a lip chap, right? But it's so, they thought this out so well and so defined. Instead of you having to worry about that mess of an oil, and I'm not speaking bad on oil. Hey, I still use oil and everything, but I'm saying with this particular product, you can put this directly on your scalp, massage it in, and I promise you, like whatever inflation that you possibly may have been feeling, any tightness or irritation from any braids or any tension from any hairstyle that you have, I highly recommend that you use it. I definitely used it for when I did my braids on both sides because I was pulling, and because like it is kind of tight up here. I don't have a headache, right? And I don't feel bad, or you know, I don't feel like it's like super irritating. And I really do feel as though it does have a lot to do with this. It's super light, like it's not like a grease or anything, and it surely isn't like an oil. But it does kind of give you that reassurance that, okay, my scalp is moisturized and my scalp is not irritated. And I think that's one thing that I like really like about this. And on top of that, it's so cute. Like, sis, you can put this in your purse, okay? So like when your scalp is really acting up and you out of town, pull this, go to the bathroom, pull this thing out and put it on your scalp. Cause we need this. I know I need it. Like, this was perfect. Like, this, look at this. Look at it again. Go ahead and screenshot, right? Okay, because you need this. And I know you need this, okay? So, the next product that I'm going to jump into is the Oats and Honey Soothing Hair Balm. Now, the hair balm is somewhat of a styler. So like you technically wouldn't want to use, well, I don't want to say you wouldn't want to use gel, but depending on the hairstyle, I feel as though it's like a substitution for gel. But if you're the type of girl that likes for yourself to be like super defined and you like to use a little gel here and there, styling gel for that matter, I don't see what the problem would be like using this and that, but I personally feel as though it really does the job by itself. It's like it doesn't have any, it's not like a thick gel. Like some gels are like kind of thick and they have like crazy consistency. So I'm gonna show you guys it's super light, y'all. Like it's nothing crazy. It's like, it feels like lotion, right? For the hair, but like it's a balm. So it's not like just for your scalp, but you know, it's for your hair as well. So if you're trying to get the best results for your curls and you know, or you might be doing a finger coil, then this might be for you, sis. I know it was it for me. And I need to wipe my hand off because I was just trying to show y'all this. So yeah, this will leave your hair like super duper soft and super shiny, right? So it's just like, it's super light. Like I don't really have anything bad to say about this. I definitely did use this like when I sectioned my hair off, when I was styling my hair and getting ready to do the Bantu knots. I did use a little bit to like pretty much lay my hair together, but also give it that shine. That way I wouldn't have to, you know, put any extra spray or any extra products on my hair. So I really like this. I really like this, y'all. Like this, it's not like any other, because it's not a styling gel, right? But it can kind of substitute as one. And you don't have to worry about your hair being all heavy or feeling like you got a million products on it. Like it's super light. The texture will definitely be there because I know my hair will still be there. And on top of that, it like kind of just increases that natural shine that you have to your hair. So this is a win, and I like it. I really feel as though this particular line was strategically thought out for people who really suffer with sensitive scalp. Like the lightness, the fact that it comes in a package. Like if you wanted to buy them separately, you definitely could. I will be leaving the link down below in the description box. But like it's a win. Like, and you get the bonnet. Like they don't give the bonnets out to just anybody. I highly recommend this product for anybody who has a sensitive scalp. And also, this is perfect for children. I would just, of course, if you have any allergies to any like nuts or, you know, honey or anything of that nature, I would definitely go ahead and just read the ingredients just to make sure that it is okay for you to use. Everybody is different and everybody has their own personal preference. So if you guys do literally, once you're done with this video or even in the middle of the video, go ahead and click pause. That way you guys can really see the benefits. I know it has really helped me. And on top of that, this hairstyle is Balm.com. Okay, like let's get into the hairstyle. Like, because Mielle did this. Okay, I styled it, but the products, they did this for me. Okay, and I love everything about it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did creating it. So make sure you guys, before we move any further, before we say our goodbyes, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be sure to turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos, okay? So until next time, bye!